Childbirth can be a happy time for a mom, but for Black mothers, it can be different.
Unfortunately, Black women have higher rates of maternal morbidity and mortality. African American babies are more likely to die before their first birthday than Hispanic women, Asian women, and Caucasian women.
Iris Payne is the director of the San Diego County Black Infant Health Program, which recently expanded into North County.
We have a program because there's a need. And I think as a society, we want to recognize the needs of all of our citizens. If we all thrive individually, then we all thrive as a community.
The goals of the program are to improve African American infant and maternal health and decrease health and social inequities.
Actually work with the women to advocate for themselves when they're going to their healthcare professional. They provide those wraparound services. And actually the women, when they're in the program, they are able to develop other relationships with other women. So they're building their network of a support system for themselves.
Women like Danielle Morgan and Shia Ritchie. You would think they've known each other for years, but they actually just met at the new Black Infant Health Program Center in Oceanside.
Personally, being like a Black mom, I know it's really hard to find other Black moms. They're here, but I don't think they're like out and about like as easily as a lot of other like racial groups, just because there's not a lot of resources.
The lack of resources and representation is what inspired Ritchie.
When I learned that there were only 4% of Black people that represented midwifery, I knew that I had to get in there.
She is studying to become a midwife. She thinks more representation could help change the mortality and morbidity rates Black mothers and infants face.
Because that is the biggest way to make sure that our people are fought for. In the way that the marginalized people are sought justice towards, and making sure that maternal birth rate decreases until we're no longer at a deficit.
She credits programs like Black Infant Health for raising social justice awareness. The program offers new and expecting Black mothers supportive services to help advocate for themselves in their doctor's office, as well as resources. The office, located in Oceanside at 3156 Vista Way, is having a grand opening on Saturday from 1 to 4 p.m. Family portraits, activities, and food will be provided, and anyone is welcome to join. Tania Thorne, KPBS News.